How to fix Microsoft Visual C++ runtime on Windows 10 or 11. So let's get started. Firstly, try updating your graphics driver. The outdated graphics driver can often trigger Microsoft Visual C++ runtime library error, so you can reinstall or update your graphics driver. Simply type Device Manager in the search bar and hit Enter to launch Device Manager. Then expand Display Adapters to show your GPU driver and do a right click on it. Then in the drop down menu, simply choose Update Driver. Hit search automatically for updated drivers and follow the on-screen instructions to update your graphic driver. Now, the second method is deploy a clean boot. Deploying a clean boot can help you to exclude the conflicts between the third-party application and your system. And here is how you can do it. Firstly, press Windows plus R at the same time to evoke the runbox. Then type msconfig and hit enter to launch system configuration. Then under the services tab, tick hide all Microsoft services and hit disable all. Then go to startup and press the blue font open task manager. Then under the startup section of task manager, right click on each item and choose disable. Then go back to services and tap on apply and OK. Now the other one is reinstalling Visual C++ redistributables. Microsoft Visual C++ runtime library error is likely to be connected with the integrity of redistributables software. Therefore, you can reinstall it by following these steps. Press Windows plus R simultaneously, then type appwiz.cpl and hit enter option available there. Scroll down in the list to locate Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable and right click on it to choose uninstall. Then confirm this action in the popping up window. Then after removing all, locate Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables successfully and click to download and install them again. Lastly, turn off compatibility mode. It is reported that compatibility mode can also cause Microsoft Visual C++ runtime library error, hence you had better disable it. First, find the problematic app and right-click it to highlight properties in the drop-down menu. Then go to the compatibility tab and untick run this program in compatibility mode for. Now press apply and OK to save the changes. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.